Hello pupils, let's start our English lesson. Today we have a new theme, a day at school, and we are going to talk about school subjects. Open your vocabularies, write down the new words, and learn by heart. Listen and repeat.
History, Geography, Biology, Chemistry, Physics,
Maths, math. Art, English, music, information technology, physical education.
Let's do the tasks. Task 1. Read the text, write true or false. Task 2. Read the text, answer the following questions. Task 3. Write about yourself. The lesson is over. Goodbye.